launched their brand new Sephora Favorites Makeup Expert Kit. This is the first time I've ever seen anything like this on their website, and it does retail for $85, but let's see if it's actually worth it. Hello, my most beautiful besties, and welcome back to another Sephora favorite episode. You guys know how much I love the Sephora favorite kits. I buy them every single time, but this is the first time I've ever seen something like this. This is a pretty expensive kit for what it is. I mean, it's $85. There's gonna be 13 different items in here, and it says elevate your everyday glam with a special collection and experience the magic of experts right at your fingertips. This exclusive 13-piece set includes 6 full-size and 7 mini beauty products curated by some of the most renowned makeup artist founded brands. Now, one of the things I really do like about this is it actually comes like in a legitimate makeup bag. Like that, every time I say makeup bag, I always want to go makeup bag. God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, but anyway, I literally thought this was really cool because I've never seen them do this. Now, normally they do have like really nice makeup bags for the Sephora favorite kits. They're really nice when I store my makeup in whenever I'm moving or I'm traveling. Like they're really nice like makeup bags, but this is the first time it actually made it look like it's like a professional kit right here. Now, like I said, I've never seen the Sephora favorite kit before, the Sephora makeup expert kit. I don't know if this is brand new. I think it is, but we're gonna open this up and find out, did I just waste $85 or was this actually worth it? Okay, so that's how the bag is gonna look. You open this up and the items just kind of like thrown inside. So let's dive in. So up first, we actually do have the full size of the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. Now, I actually really did enjoy this primer. As someone that has really oily skin and really large pores, I actually found that this didn't necessarily minimize the appearance of my pores, but it definitely did help to blur out the appearance of my pores. So a little bit more smoother. My makeup went on really smooth on top of it. My pores were still visible, but at least the harshness of them, it did kind of dwindle down. And I already told you guys that the second that wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Why does it say bronze fudge? What is that? In bronze fudge, there's not just one translucent. Oh no. Aw. All right. Well, I'll have to just pass this along then. Oh, that kind of sucks because I have just the normal. I thought this was just like a standard. I thought it was just like a standard primer because that's what this one is. But this one's in bronze fudge. I mean, it does blend. I mean, it does blend out like it does. So I guess like I could still use it because it does blend itself out. Maybe it just adds like a bronziness to the face. I've never seen this before. This is new to me. What? Let me look this up. Oh, okay. So looking at it right now, it is available in 2 different finishes. You can have the matte finish or you can have the radiant finish right here. I didn't even know that this was a thing. I had no clue this was a thing right here. So that's an education moment for me. So good to know. And this could still be used. I thought this might be something that might be a little bit too deep, but no, I can definitely still use it. I'm not really a radiant finish type of person though. I need a matte moment. That's what I love. That's what I wanted this for. And this is going to be radiant finish. I'm probably still going to have to pass this along just because it's a product I probably won't be able to get a use out of. Okay. So up next, we got a full size of the Master Mattes Long Wear Cream Eyeshadow in the shade called Mauve from Makeup by Mario. Ooh, I know this is like a newer product. I have not tried this product yet, but I do know that it's like a newer product. I'm just gonna try it like right here. You take it and then like you can like put it on your lid and then you smudge it out. It's just supposed to be like a very easy long wearing eyeshadow that you can utilize. I don't really ever use shadows like this. Usually if I do, they are gonna be like shimmer shadows, but it's gonna be great for those who need something like on the go. But I do know this is new. Like this recently came out and this is in here. That's actually kind of cool. That's actually kind of cool. Okay, so up next I got a Farrah Fomdini. I don't know if I'm saying that right. This is a smudge and contour lip pencil. Ooh, this is a lip pencil. This is mini. There's no way that's mini. That's a pretty decent size. And that is a gorgeous ass color. Wow, that is an absolute. I'm sure you guys already seen this swatches right here on the side. That is absolutely gorgeous. And this is supposed to be defined as a mini. I can make this last. I can absolutely make this last. That is incredible. Up next, I got a full size of, oh my God, I literally just filmed new makeup releases and I told you guys I'd never tried this brand. I've never tried this brand. This is the Hung Van Gogh. This is going to be the soft velvet kohl eyeliner in the shade called Fabulous, in the shade called Fashion Black. What? I've never tried this brand. And it's in here? Like, what? No way. Wow. Okay. Wow. That is actually really exciting. Oh my gosh. This is a full size Hung Van Gogh moment. Never tried this brand before. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so up next, I got a little mini Natasha Denona. This is the Eye Sculpt palette. I have never seen this before, but this is kind of cute. This is the type of stuff, like if you were to ever go to like Sephora or Ulta Beauty World, whenever they're at the booth, so this is the product that they would give away as like a prize, but it's a great way to try the brand. Like these are something you can find like in stocking stuffers and whatnot. Just this 3 simple basic eyeshadows right here from Natasha Denona. Just a great way to have like a very nice neutral moment. So I think this is what this kit is kind of curating to. So that's exciting. Oh my gosh, it's cool. Okay, so up next, I got a little mini size of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Be the Brow Freeze Gel and Clear. I've tried this gel years ago. Maybe it was like the wax that would do the feather brow. I remember not being a fan of it. But we'll have to try this again. It's been a long time since I've tried the brow gel freeze. I don't know if I would still hate it or like it. We'd have to retry it, but that's kind of exciting. Alrighty, so up next, I did get a little mini of the Patrick Ta. This is gonna be the Double Take Cream and Powder Blush Duo. And I got it in this shade called She Goes to the Gym. This is cute. This is cute. I have another one of these that I got in a previous Sephora favorite kits. They tend to be really cute. And again, even though these are going to be like their little travel sizes or like their mini sizes, a little bit does go a long way. Like I could still absolutely make this last for me. It's little cream blush and little cream and powder blush moment. Really cute shade. I think very kind of universal. You could also use this as like an eyeshadow if you wish to do so as well. But that's actually really cute. Oh my gosh. Up next, I did get a full size of the Beauty Blender. You know what's crazy is that like I think these are like 20 bucks. I personally don't get the hype around them. I really don't, because like I've been obsessed with my little paw sponge that you can get from Amazon. So like I kind of don't get the obsession with the beauty blenders, but I do know a lot of people out there love them and do get a full size in here. Up next, there is a Violet Bijou Balm. This is going to be a sheer matte lipstick, I think. Oh, it is kind of sheer. It just has a little tiny hint of color to it. Again, you guys probably already seen the swatches. That's actually really cool. I've never tried this brand, but again, for this being like a mini, that's a pretty decent size. That is absolutely a pretty decent size for this being considered a mini. I, again, can make this last me for quite some time. So that is absolutely fantastic. Up next, I got I believe a full size of the Overliner lip pencil in the shade called Sizzle. Who is this by? Oh God, this is by Mary J. This is MPH by Mary Phillips. This is going to be a lip pencil in the shade called Sizzle. Again, I've not tried Mary Phillips before. That's actually really cool. What? This is wild. That is absolutely freaking fantastic. Oh my God, again, a brand I have not tried before. Up next, we do have a little travel size of the one size. This is in the shade called Ultra Pink. This is a brand new product, I believe. So I just got sent a pink, a lavender, and a green, and I think this might be one of them. This is absolutely fantastic. I love the one size setting powder. You guys know how much I do. And this is going to be available in the shade called Ultra Pink. This is super cute. Up next, I do have a little deluxe travel size of the Danessa Myricks Yummy Liquid Blurring Balm. You guys know that this was one of my favorites that I posted about this year. Mine is practically empty. And this is going to be the travel size right here. Not too much of a difference. I mean, this one has 100 millimeters and this has 50 milliliters. Really not bad. Not bad at all. That is actually really exciting for me to get another one of these because I generally really do love this. And finally, we do have a little mini of the Soleil. This is going to be the blush and Protect SPF 50 in the shade called Giselle. I've only ever gotten this product in another Sephora favorite kit. But I do think, again, a product like this could last me quite some time because I do have a lot of blushes, but that'd be kind of cool to try out. So let me just quickly add up the price of everything that I know the prices of, and I'll let you guys know how much it's actually retailed for. By the way, that lipstick from the Violet Free, that is a full size. I just didn't realize it. But when I added up all 6 full-size items, it came out to $152. But I was able to find quite a few of the mini sizes. The only ones I was not able to find is the Soleil, the Natasha Denona, and the Farrah one right here. I couldn't find the prices of these ones, but I was able to find everything else. So far, without including these ones, my retail price would be $235 had I bought everything in this bag alone, not including these 3 products right here. Now, this says that this does have a $292 value. I can already tell you guys right here, we're probably already close to that. Or I can tell you guys right here, it's pretty much going to probably be valued at that. Absolutely. So for me, I spent $85 to get 13 products. 6 of them are going to be full size from brands that I haven't even tried before. Now, there's some brands in here I have, other ones I haven't. And for me, I think this is absolutely worth it. I always say the Sephora favorites are the perfect way to try the brand without breaking the bank to do so. And I think this one was absolutely fantastic. So like I said, this would be the makeup expert kit. This just launched. Like this literally just launched. It does come in this really pretty makeup bag. So you can put all your makeup essentials in here and you can travel with it. You can close it up and it's going to be a nice little easy travel bag, and it looks really nice, really sleek, really professional, and something that I can definitely see myself utilizing quite a bit. So I'm actually really glad that I bought this. There's not really been one Sephora favorite kit that I bought that I was like, oh, this sucks. No, these always are worth the value. So if you guys do want to check them out, I will have this linked. So if you guys do want to check it out, I will have it linked down below just in case you guys do want to pick it up, because usually whenever they sell out, they don't ever tend to bring them back. So hopefully this one will stay in stock for just a bit, but just in case, I will link it. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Is this a makeup kit that you guys would find worth it, or are you guys going to pass on this? Let me know in the comments below. But with that said, Bestie, that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventure, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, besties, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.